Netflix has announced Streamfest in India, where they are going to give access to their premium content for free on 5 and the 6th of December. Millions of people will see the free content on Netflix for these 2 days. The users will get to see it's free and it's working. 95% people won't buy Netflix after free trial, but few people who liked the content may buy it. India is a very big market. Netflix is the top platform all over the world, but not in India. So in order to gain more subscribers from India, they are giving free trial. Thanks for watching.